Hello, Namaste friends, welcome to day 28 of our exciting AI journey. Today we are going to talk about AI careers and roadmap, how to become an AI engineer. So I have a dream of working in AI. So we are going to discuss about step-by-step roadmap. So I hope you have covered remaining 27 videos in this playlist. If you have any doubts, please do put in comments and you can mail us at aicodeGyan@gmail.com. If you haven't subscribed to our channel AI Code Gyan, please do subscribe to our channel AI Code Gyan and do hit the like button so that you don't miss any day content of our 30-day AI content challenge. So let's start. Today let us talk about AI careers and roadmap, how to become an AI engineer in 2025. So are you dream of working in AI? Here is your step-by-step roadmap from beginner to AI expert. So let us go with an introduction. So when we talk about artificial intelligence, it's not a buzzword, it's the foundation of the future. Whether it's powering self-driving cars, recommended systems, or smart assistants like ChatGPT, the demand for AI engineers is skyrocketing. So how do you become one? Let's break it down into a clear, actionable roadmap you can follow from scratch, even without a tech background. Now let us talk about AI career roadmap. So when we talk about foundations, we have basic mathematics, linear algebra, calculus, and probability, which is very important, which everyone covers in their 11th or 12th, or glimpse of it is also given in their engineering courses or their graduation courses. So everyone can revise it. Second is programming. So Python is essential. If you want to learn Python, please do check out our course, Learn Python in 7 days, crash course, which will definitely help you with basics of Python. Next is learn Git and Linux basics. So please do from your Git and Linux commands so that you can push the codes to GitHub. We'll be soon launching one video on GitHub as well. Next is about the core computer science. So everyone is aware of data structures algorithms. So again, we are soon going to give a video course on data structures algorithms. Please do check it out. You can do check out some other courses on DSA so that you can have a firm understanding before you go with the AI projects. Now next is database and APIs, which is also an important, fundamental, which is required for your AI projects. So we have again version control using GitHub. Now let us talk about data science and machine learning basics. So we'll talk about machine learning libraries of Python, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, scikit-learn. These are very important libraries. We have Pandas for basically data handling, NumPy for numerical Python, Matplotlib for plotting, and we have scikit-learn, that is a complete tool for machine learning, and we have supervised versus unsupervised learning, which we have already covered in this series. So link is given in the description. Please do check out this video. What is supervised learning and what is unsupervised learning, and what is reinforcement learning. Next, when we talk about AK roadmap, we'll talk about deep learning and natural language processing. So we've already covered this. So you should be aware about TensorFlow, PyTorch. These are the libraries of Python which are used to code deep learning networks, neural networks. So we have already covered the concepts of CNNs, RNNs, and transformers. These are the basics of deep learning. And when we talk about Hugging Face and BERT, these are also very important concepts to learn. Next, we'll talk about projects and portfolios. So Kaggle competitions, you can go to kaggle.com, you can download databases and you can also take part in Kaggle competitions. We have open source contributions at Google, which you can take use of. You can take use of, different online sources, and you can even use Google Colab for online coding related ML projects. And Next, you can build chatbots, recommender, etc. using different LLMs, or you can use different frameworks like LangChain. We have LangGraph, we have LangFlow, which is a visual based, agent framework. So please do check it out. Specialization. So you can, it's although it's optional to do, but suppose if you want to be an NLP engineer, you can do specialization NLP. You can be a computer vision engineer, you can be a robotics engineer, or you can be a Gen AI engineer. So generative AI is the hot among all. So basically, you have heard about ChatGPT, you have heard about DeepSeek, you have heard about Google Gemini. So these all are results of generative AI. And next is MLOps or data engineering. So MLOps is very important. Like we have DevOps, we have machine learning plus operations, that is also called as MOps, and we have data engineering skill sets to learn as specialization. When we talk about job readiness, please do prepare a resume, and you can use, optimize your LinkedIn profile for maximum reach, so that recruiters can reach you and call you for interviews. So you can go through mock interviews to make sure you clear the interviews with full confidence. And when you talk about certifications, you can join courses, different courses over Google, Coursera, Deep Learning.ai. Deep Learning is started by Andrew Ng, and it has very nice courses regarding deep learning. So please go through it. And Google has recently launched a full, course structure for Gen AI and Agentic AI. Next, we'll talk about real world experience. So yeah, definitely you can, if you are a beginner in your career, you can go for internships, you can do freelancing in AI, AI based topics, you can give research papers, you can do, you can give open source projects so that people can go through more projects, and this way you will, and you can also go through different open source projects available over internet. So this way you will be able to master AI. Now let us talk about top roles in AI. Now this is 2025. So there are very hot roles which are available. When we talk about artificial intelligence and machine learning engineer, so it develops AI systems and machine learning models for production applications. So AI or ML engineer is the person who is responsible for developing AI systems and machine learning models for production applications. So down we can see there is a pay salary which is mentioned $122,019. That means the average salary package which is available for this profile. This is a universal or worldwide package we are talking about. Next, we'll talk about data scientist. So data scientist is responsible for analyzing complex data to find patterns and insights for business decisions. Data scientist is one of the hot job which is available. Again, it is comparable high salaries, nearly $1,16,946. And next is research scientist. AI research scientist explores cutting edge AI techniques to solve complex research problems. So this is also very advanced role, or you can say a top role in AI domain. Now, and salaries are also comparative and higher. We have $1,30,000 as the average salary. Now let us talk about NLP engineer. So NLP engineer, natural language processing engineer, is the one who is specialized in natural language processing for chatbot, translation, and more. And the salary is comparable again in $126,000. Around $1,26,000 is approximate 1 crore 10 lakh in Indian rupee. Now, next is computer vision engineer, which are systems that understand and interpret visual information. Again, salary is comparable in $1,28,000. And when we talk about MLOps engineer, MLOps engineer manages the infrastructure, develop and monitor ML models in production, and the salary is also very competitive, $1,33,000. Now, most popular, and you can say there's rising demand in the role of as a prompt engineer. A prompt engineer one who designs and optimizes prompts for large language models, rapidly growing field with increased demand as companies adopt generative AI. Now, let us again discuss about AI engineering salary range in 2025. So entry level salary in as an AI engineer would be around $80,000. that this is a universal, say, which is a salary in US, although it might be little lesser in India, but when you talk about other countries, India, USA, UK, so again, we have good amount of pay packages available in the AI field. So AI engineer is paid a healthy salary. So it starts from $80K and a director in AI would be paid around $270K, which is quite good in amount. So let us see what are the factors affecting salary. Location. So basically, yeah, Silicon Valley versus remote. A person in Silicon Valley would be paid more versus a remote worker. Company size industry depends on the different company offering AI job roles. And also it will differ with the specialized skills. It might be an NLP engineer profile, it might be a computer vision profile, it might be ML engineer, or it might be a computer vision engineer. It will also differ with the education level, and definitely an interview will take a record of your successful projects you have done in AI. So please do keep a record of your projects in GitHub. Now let us talk about highest paying industries in this field. So we have tech giants like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, which are regularly hiring AI engineers to build their AI models, and it's ongoing, hot field. We have financial trading firms, again hiring AI engineers for their chatbots and upcoming agents. We have healthcare AI companies. Again, healthcare sector is very growing sector, and we have autonomous vehicle developers like Tesla is there. Tesla is one of the biggest company in the world, and Nexus AI focused startups with significant funding. So basically, new deep tech startups which are focused on AI, they are also hiring AI engineers. Now let us talk about the skills recruiters are looking for in AI. So we have technical skills, which are the prerequisites. We have Python. So they will be looking for NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. They will look for mathematics, basic mathematics, linear algebra, calculus, statistical probability, machine learning algorithms, supervised and supervised learning, deep learning, data processing techniques like ETL, data cleaning, feature engineering. We have cloud platforms, experience with one of the cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, Azure, ML services. We have DevOps tools like Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD pipelines, and they're also looking for soft skills like problem solving to create approaches to complex challenges. We have communication as one of the main soft skills, which is required to explain technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders. We have teamwork, which is very important, which is required to collaborate with cross-functional teams. We have adaptability, which is very important, learning new tools and techniques as the field evolves. Every day there is a new AI tool which is being introduced. We have high business acumen, which is required, understanding how AI solutions impact business goals. So this will be required in the startups. We have high critical thinking, which is again a soft skill which is required for evaluating models and results objectively. Now let us see what are the portfolio requirements. We should have a GitHub repository with clean, well-documented code, end-to-end project diversity, real-world problem solving, very project type showing breadth of skills, NLP, computer vision, etc. Deployed applications with accessible domains. So basically, you might have done applications with Excel demos. You can go through different videos, and you should do your hands-on so that you have a perfect portfolio before you go for it. Now let us see what are the top resources to learn AI in 2025. When you talk about top resources, we have already discussed before Andrew Ng's ML course. That is one of the key courses in AI field. Next is Deep Learning on AI, again by Andrew Ng. Next is MIT 6.S191 series, Introduction to Deep Learning. MIT lectures are very helpful. And next is FastStart AI. So again, FastStart AI provides practical deep learning for coders. We have Hugging Face courses for NLP and Transformer. What are the popular platforms? We have Kaggle, we have GitHub, we have Papers with Code, we have Archive, which is responsible for latest papers in AI ML, and YouTube channel is definitely a big platform. There are a lot of YouTube videos on AI. You can definitely cover up courses. You can cover this course as well, which we have completed 30 days AI challenge. And now let us talk about top portfolio projects ideas for 2025. So we'll be discussing this in next video as well. Still, you can look among it. We can have an AI-powered content model. We can have a security system, chatbot with track. We will have image generation API, predictive analytics system, and real-time object detection. So these are the main portfolio project ideas which we can go through. Now let us start with final tips for aspiring engineers. Start small, stay consistent. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one area, master it, then expand. Consistency beats intensity in the long run. So hardworking tortoise is better than a, what do you say, a rabbit. So in the race. So please do remember this and learn by doing. Please always doing a demo is important. Even after going through videos, please do a demo for yourself. Tutorial is helpful, but building real projects solidifies knowledge. Get comfortable with being comfortable. Please do join communities. There are many communities available like Reddit, Discord, or LinkedIn to share your queries and to get your questions answered. And you can also share your knowledge among these communities. You can read research papers. You start with review papers and gradually move to more complex ones. Implement the algorithms to truly understand them. Next, you can make blogs to share your journey, what you're learning, or create videos. Teaching others is the best way to solidify your understanding. Yeah, this is a mode which I prefer. So I have also recorded videos, and this is the proven mode of learning. And please do stay curious in the world of AI, because every day you will have new AI tools which are evolving. We have new AI models which are evolving. Again, there are new releases by Google, Microsoft, Alibaba, Amazon. So please do stay updated. AI is evolving rapidly. Dedicate time each week to explore new people, tools, and techniques. Never stop learning. So this is the key to success. Never stop learning. So let us discuss about common mistakes which we need to avoid. Theory only learning, balance theory with practical implementation, tools fixation. So don't focus too much on tools. Please do learn concepts, new concepts as well. Tutorial hell. So just watching tutorial is not enough. Please do build your projects, and please don't ignore mathematics, because that is the fundamental of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Are you ready to become an AI engineer? The AI revolution is just beginning and the opportunities are endless. Start your journey today with consistent learning and practical projects. If you're serious about AI, commit to learning something new every day. And there are many new references, additional resources. I'll also give some links in the description. So we have Coursera, Datacamp, Roadmap.sh, Glassdoor, TowardsAI, and you can have different references over Google. So thank you. Bye bye. All the best. Hello friends. Let us talk about AI careers and roadmap. How to become an AI engineer. So I hope you have understood how to become an AI engineer and to start preparation. And I hope you have covered all the topics which we have covered in these 28 days. And I hope you might be a comfortable person in AI. And if you have any doubts, please do put in comments. You can mail us at aicodegear@gmail.com. So our purpose is to give a free education in AI. So I hope that purpose is served. And please share these videos as much as possible so that everyone can get the benefit. And also please do subscribe to our channel at AI Code Gyan if you haven't subscribed to it, and do the like button so that everyone can get access to it. And please don't lose any single day content. Now, next we are going to cover about AI project ideas, hands-on AI for beginners. Now let us keep learning AI together. Bye bye.